Hello, welcome back to Little Kodaks. Today I'm going to be telling you about the Kodak Instamatic 134 camera. We're also going to be doing a little bit of cleanup because this guy needs a little bit of refurb. The Kodak Instamatic 134 camera was around from 1968 to 1971. It used flash cubes for its flash. The batteries that it took went in this little compartment down here, and it took two of these PX825 batteries that are no longer made, and that was used to power the flash. The lens was an f11 43mm lens, and a unique thing about the 134 as compared to the 124 released the same year was that it had an electronic eye for exposure control. So here's the 124. You can see these cameras were pretty much identical with the inclusion of that electronic eye in the 134. It had a fixed shutter speed of 1/50th of a second. The 124 and the 174 released the same year had two different shutter speeds, 1/40th and 1/90th of a second. But for some reason, everything I could find said that the 134 had a fixed 1/50th of a second for its shutter speed. Okay, well, that's all of the info about this camera. Of course, it used the 126 Kodak Instamatic cartridge for its film. Really simple design, just like pretty much all of the Instamatic cameras, with the exception of some of the higher end ones and the more advanced ones as they went down the line. Alright, well, let's get cleaning for this little guy. What we're going to use is some alcohol and some cotton swabs to start. So I'm just going to go over all of the surfaces, get all of the dirt and grime off of them, and then the next thing I'll do is I'll use a plastic restorative polish to clean up all these black areas on the camera. You can see there's a lot of oxidation that usually builds up on the Instamatic cameras when they're just left for years and years. I mean, this guy was possibly from 1968. So, alright, let's get started. Well, I don't know if you can kind of see it, but right there, there's a little indent, and that was for an LED light. So when you had your batteries installed and a flash, it would tell you if you were good to take your picture or not. Alright, we're just gotta clean the front, and then we'll do one last step and we'll be good to go. Okay, we are done with our alcohol. So this guy is clean of all its dust and dirt and stuff. Now what I'm going to use is a little of this MEGUIAR'S Ultimate Black, which will take this and alcohol clean it up all right, but this will really bring it back to life. So I'm going to hit all the black on the camera, and then we will be ready for display. I'll show you the difference. So here's with it without that, and then here's with it after I applied that. So you can see it is looking like it's ready for the show floor. Alright, so we are all done cleaning up our Instamatic 134. It is ready for display. Again, the Instamatic 134 camera was made from 1968 to 1971, and it used the 126 Kodak cartridge, and it was part of the long line of Kodak Instamatic cameras. I hope you enjoyed my video. If you did, please hit that like button down below. It really helps us out. And if you wouldn't mind subscribing, it doesn't cost you anything, and it really would be great for our channel. And until next time, have a great day.